95 minutes means 1 hour and 35 minutes.
Okay.
Let's try now. Okay. That's rare.
Whoever's in charge here? The theory. Where's the theory? That's fancy. That's rich, I'll say.
Coming soon from Warner Home Video.
For young Mitch, living in his brother's shadow wasn't easy.
My bad. Want to toughen you up like your brother.
Only in the tree that gave the town its history did he feel at home.
Are you going to tell them the good news or not?
A company called Benjamin Plastics. They're going to build a plant here. We're going to make a lot of money.
All right.
There was just one problem.
What are you doing, mister?
Get ready for the bulldozers.
You mean you're going to cut down all the oak?
All the trees are going to come down.
You can't. I won't let you.
Now it will take the courage of a young boy
They want to cut you down. But I won't let them.
and the help of a friend
The guy was decorated in Korea, played in the NFL.
to show them all that some things are worth fighting for.
Someone has tied himself to that old tree.
Some kids skipped school and took over the tree. Guess who the ringleader is?
Anything worth having is worth fighting for. So I'm staying.
Imagine that. 10-year-old kid stuffing all those machines and trucks.
Starring Robert Forster, Naomi Judd, Andy Lawrence, Matt Lawrence, Cliff Robertson. Family Tree. Look for it on video. Rated G. From Warner Brothers Family Entertainment.
You thought you knew all about him. You thought you had seen it all. You thought you knew everything. You thought wrong.
I thought I saw a pussycat.
It's Tweety, starring in his first all-new movie, Tweety's High-Flying Adventure, coming this September only on video.
I did call a pussycat.
Coming this fall, you will notice an eerie greenish glow. Your heart will beat faster. Your palms start to sweat. Suddenly, you know they are among us. It's the all-new movie, Scooby-Doo and the Alien Invaders, coming fall 2000. It's just the beginning. In fall 2000, beware of his presence. The arch-enemy is back. He will threaten the city. He's a maniac. Awful power. And no one can help. No one except Batman Beyond. Return of the Joker. The first feature-length Batman Beyond movie coming exclusively to video October 31st. And this time, he's not alone.
60. Now available from Warner Home Video.
That's the Tasmanian
Mary Kate and
devil.
Ashley are everywhere. From Hawaii to the ski slopes in Vail, Colorado. New York City to the great outdoors.
Let's go exploring. Great idea.
Don't miss out on any of the fun. If you like to sing and dance and have a great time, join in Mary Kate and Ashley's You're Invited videos.
Ready to have some fun? Yeah!
If mystery solving is for you, check out the Trench Coat Twins in the Adventures of Mary Kate and Ashley video series.
Okay, Clue, do you recognize any of these suspects?
Plus, be a part of all the excitement
Wow.
with these awesome new movies.
Who's the man?
Don't miss out. Collect all of Mary Kate and Ashley's movies today. You're invited to Mary Kate and Ashley's videos and the Adventures of Mary Kate and Ashley. Now triple your fun with these 3 new videos. You're invited to Mary-Kate and Ashley's school dance party, The Amazing Adventures of Mary-Kate and Ashley, and you're invited to Mary-Kate and Ashley's Greatest Parties. It's all the best of Mary-Kate and Ashley.
Perfect. Yes.
From Dual Star Entertainment Group, distributed by Warner Home Video.
And now, our feature presentation from Warner Brothers Family Entertainment.